Hello everyone, my name is Cherise. I am a Donna's Recipe brand ambassador, and I'm going to show you how I keep my hair moisturized and protected during the cooler months of the year. So stick around and I'll show you how I get there.
Let's start off with wash day. So the first thing you want to do is make sure your hair is nicely saturated. You want to use the extra creamy moisturizing shampoo. And I'm washing my hair all in one section because this shampoo is so moisturizing that I don't even need to separate my hair because I can finger detangle it with this shampoo. It is that good, honey. Then, after I shampoo my hair twice, I'm going to separate it up, and then we're going to use the extra creamy moisturizing conditioner. I like to do this in 4 sections so that I can make sure it's all over and I am detangling my hair properly. You want to use a generous amount, put it all through your hair, make sure you're getting all parts, split it, make sure you got in between the hair and all through your hair. Then I let it sit in my hair for about 15 minutes. I wet my hair to make sure that it's, a little bit moist before I finger detangle. Then I go in with a brush to really get those tangles out. And look how easily it just goes through my hair. After you're done conditioning and detangling, you want to rinse everything out. Make sure your hair is nice and clean. Look at the curls. Look how bouncy. Lovely. My hair feels so good. After we're done, we add leave-in conditioner. And I love adding my leave-in conditioner as soon as I'm done washing my hair. And I also like to put a cap on my hair after so that it can marinate a little before I'm ready to style. So after we marinate it and we're ready to style, we're going to go in with the extra creamy hair cream. We're going to twist our hair up, add a little bit of the extra creamy hair and scalp oil at the ends of our hair. We're going to brush it, and we're going to do that throughout our entire head. You see the curls? This curl cream is not one to play with, girl. It is so good. I love it. After a few days, I come back to my hair. I moisturize my scalp with the strengthening hair oil. This right here is my favorite. And I just massage, make sure it's all in my scalp through all the parts. And I just let my hair sit for a few days before I decide to unravel my twists. Now it's unravel day, so we are going to get into the results of my hair. I start off with a little oil on my hands. I rub it through my hair and my hands so that we can make sure there's no friction when I'm unraveling these twists. Do you see the definition? Look at that definition from the curl cream. Girl, yes. Amazing. So I like to stretch each twist at one at a time. I untwist it and I do each part of the twist. So it's 2 sides. So you do one side, I just run my fingers through, holding the ends, and then I do the next side. And I'm going to do this throughout my entire head until I get my desired fluffy twist out look. This technique is nice and easy and is very effective if you're going for big hair. If you like big hair, if you don't, then you don't have to detangle it. You don't have to separate it like I'm doing. I always go in with my pick because I like big hair, and this does it for me every single time. Get the shape that I want. There's the back, and now look at that. We have a lovely moisturized twist out using Donna's recipe.
I hope you learned a few tips and tricks on how to keep your hair moisturized and protected during the fall months. Be sure to shop donnasrecipe.com, Target, or Ulta Beauty to get all of your sweet potato pie collection. Until next time, see you!